What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade on Pocket Broker app. So you're wondering how to use the Pocket Broker app here. Using it is fairly easy. So in order for you to start using it, you first need to install the actual app. So you want to open up the Google Play Store here, look for Pocket Broker, install it, and once you've installed this, you want to click on open. Now, you can actually create your account here fairly easy. You could use your Google account here, or you could go and manually create your account. But once you've created your account, this is what you should be seeing. Now, first thing that you should notice here is you should have the option, or you should already have access to the sell and buy buttons here, and also AI trading. Now, you also have the option to specify the time that you want to buy, and also the amount that you want to buy or sell. Now, if you want to start using your actual account, or in this case, you want to use your actual money, you can go ahead and click on the wallet button at the top right here, and that should give you the option to basically make payments. Like for example, you could go and top up using, like for example, your Tether or USDT account. You could go and click on the continue and pay at the bottom here if you're sure. But obviously, you could go and change your payment method here. So you go and choose one, click on choose another, and choose the appropriate account or whatever payment method you want to use here. There are going to be a lot here. Go ahead and choose one that suits you. But yeah. So once you make your deposit here, you should be able to start trading on the actual app at the homepage. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.